Hi, I'm John Klesnick, founder of Bonnet Pro, and I've been a fellow cleaner since 1985. I want to tell you a little bit about what makes Bonnet Pro different from the pack. You have plenty of choices where you can buy encapsulation products, but what makes Bonnet Pro different is I personally still clean, and I take all of the products that we develop at Bonnet Pro and I use them and test them on a regular basis with our commercial customers. This gives me a great insight as to how they're performing, if they're good the way they are, or if there's anything that we can do to improve their performance. Because at the end of the day, we're doing this for you, because we want you to look good when you walk into your customer's location, that they're happy and they end up with a very clean, fresh smelling product when you're done providing your service. Now, Bonnet Pro has recently developed AFT, active film technology, and what that does is that's a safe, non-toxic element that's not encapsulation, that's not a semi-fluorinated protector. It's a brand new discovery that Bonnet Pro has developed to help future cleanings clean easier, which saves you time and saves you money, and even can decrease your dilutions on your cleaning product. All Bonnet Pro products can be used with either extraction or any type of low moisture cleaning, so they're very versatile, so you don't have to put too many products on your truck. I know guys hate that. They don't want 15 products on their truck. We can narrow that down to a few detergents, a few spotters, and a couple specialty spotters. So it makes your job easier, especially if you have techs going out. It's just not confusing. We have Revive encapsulation pads for extra scrubbing power. We have U.S. sourced yarns and also U.S. manufacture our bonnets. We're one of the few people that do that. Most everything comes in from overseas, from Asia or Pakistan, and there's quality problems at times and performance problems. Whereas I personally develop these bonnets, I use them, I test them, and we source everything in the United States to provide our workers jobs and give you a continuous flow of product that's uninterrupted and gives you the highest quality that you can get. The Surround line offers great versatility. We have Revive It Rocket and our specialty spotters. So when you come to Bonnet Pro, you're going to get a different level of service. You're going to get treated with respect. I'm going to get to share my 33 years of knowledge with you. I've done crime scene cleanup, I've done water damage, color repair. I'm a former IICRC master cleaner. I've done just about everything out there that you can think of. So when the guy calls me up and is not sure how to handle a situation, not sure what to do, I can share my experience with you. And I'm not here just to sell you stuff. I try to educate my customers, take care of my customers, and that's what I build my reputation on. So we have excellent performing products, you get treated with respect, and you get excellent shipping programs with our $7 ship or free ship within the United States. So go to bonnetpro.com, check us out, see what makes us different and special, and I think you'll become a believer too and become part of the Bonnet Pro family. Thanks for watching. Again, this is John Klesnick. Bye-bye.